What's up, YouTube? All right, so today we're getting ready to go do a church. We're gonna do the chairs and we're gonna do the carpets. This one is definitely a big one for me because this church is getting ready to open. So I got the opportunity. They gave me the opportunity to help refreshing the church before it opens. Also, y'all may not know of G.G. Jackson. He plays in the NBA. I cleaned his dad's house, and when he was playing basketball in high school, I even cleaned his room, you know? So this is his dad's church, Mr. Gregory Jackson, and I'm definitely about to get them squared away, and this should be a fun one. And I clean their other churches too. They got multiple churches that I clean, so I'm getting ready to get this squared away, and I'll be sure to document this entire process. So y'all stay tuned. This is the church here. This looks spooky. Like the last church I did for him too. It looked spooky too. So I may name this Cleaning the Spooky Church. Look at this. Now this looks spooky here. And we're in the middle of nowhere. This should be fun. All right, got the key. We're gonna call this the Spooky Church. We're cleaning the Spooky Church today. Definitely different. Definitely different. Turn the lights over here. Well, this is the Spooky Church. This is crazy. Look at this church here, y'all. Wow.
Oh, okay. So this goes on the top. Oh, okay.
It's still spooky. This is Spooky Church, y'all. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. But I really don't get no bad energy from here, so it seems cool.
Hell, you could break your neck. Just do it.
They got the baptized pool here.
Yeah, mirror there so you people can see.
A mirror and everything. Look. What is it, about 5 feet? They got this church, y'all. Hey, listen, I'm dropping a video on YouTube about this.
Take off video.
I'm in the baptized bath pool, I should say. But I'm about to get up out of here. See how steep the steps is. Sheesh, no railing. Nothing. Shit, you almost cursing. She'll bust your butt down. Alright, here's the outside of it here. All the spider webs. I'm gonna take a picture and get a thumbnail of this right here. I don't know what they doing here. Look at that old building back there too. Like a house. The trees. This whole area looks spooky. All right. Go ahead and get started. All right. Spray these chairs down. And there's about 60 of them. One time, is it recording?
Yep.
All right, Patrick scrubbing. He already scrubbed over here. Now I'm about to hit it with the wand. All right, all done with the spooky church. Did the carpets, did the chairs. Wasn't bad. Wasn't bad. All right, I'm done with that place there. Done with the spooky church. Y'all let me know what y'all think about the video. If you have questions, drop them in the comment section. I typically try to respond to every comment, you feel me? So I appreciate everybody who's been watching, who's been supporting the channel. I am extremely grateful. I am almost to 1,000 subscribers. Make sure y'all hit that subscribe button so we can continue dropping content. This is Chance from Main Street Carpet Cleaners. Y'all enjoy your day.